Hi there, Laura here from Get Organized HQ, and today I am super excited to share with you 45 ways that you can use bead boxes for everything except beads. These are so versatile, can be used for everything. I recently reorganized my core drawer with these. I could not be happier. Seriously, my husband opened that drawer and he was like, oh my goodness, this is amazing. So everybody loves it. It is amazing. I'm excited to share all these ways with you. Now, first of all, we need to talk about the bead boxes themselves. Where do you get them? How do you get them? All of that. Okay, so for years I had these. These are just over 3 inches. I think they're about 3.3 by 3.3. They're a perfect square with rounded edges. I had these for years, okay? And these are great. However, I recently discovered that these boxes come in tons of different sizes. So if you see here, this one is just a little bit smaller, and I'll talk about why that's important. But if you go on Amazon and you search bead boxes, you are going to find every size known to man. I will link these and I will link these, but there are so many different sizes. You can get little rectangles, you can get them slightly bigger, slightly smaller. Here's why that is important. All right, so these right here, they fit in my kitchen drawer just like this. So we could have a whole entire row of them, the bigger ones, in my kitchen drawers. However, my drawer with all my little cords, it is more shallow than my kitchen drawer. Now I have no idea, it's in my laundry room, if there is any standardness to the height of kitchen drawers or not. So I couldn't use these standing up like this. When I realized that they come in different sizes and that I could use this one and it would stand up, the game was changed. Look at this drawer. You open it and you automatically breathe a sigh of relief because it is so organized. And let me tell you, these little cords, I have tried everything under the sun to organize them, and they were always a mess. Previously, I had these little bins, and I tried to organize by type of cord and have them you have to wrap them with that, some kind of cord control thing, which is annoying. It's much easier to just stuff them in here and close it. And I was so unhappy with it. This works. It is amazing. So go get yourself these. These are also very affordable on Amazon. I think I got 100 for $30. And you don't have to get that many. They come in all different ways, but they're very affordable. In addition to standing these up in drawers, there's also a canvas bin that I can put these in 2x2. So there may be bins that you can stand them up. So it's really nice. You can put a label right here. Also, they are great for tossing in bags, purses when traveling. They're hard cases, so they'll protect all sorts of things when you're traveling, so you don't only have to use them in a drawer. My favorite use by far and away is for smaller cords. Put one cord in each one. You can label if you want to, and there's no more cord tangles or trying to wrangle the little cord wrap things. Super easy. Small hair bows will fit nicely in these. You could keep them very organized by color or however you want to organize them. Nail clippers or other small nail accessories will fit great in here. Jewelry goes well in here, especially when I'm traveling. I put my jewelry in one of these. Rubber bands, I like to sort by rubber band size. Cotton swabs will go nicely in here, especially good for tossing in a bag or for travel. Paper clips, all sorts of small office supplies work great in here. You could also put small sticky notes in here. You can have one for each color. It should go without saying, these are called bead boxes. You can obviously store beads in here. Bandaids fit pretty well in here, whether you're keeping them in there or whether you want these for travel. My kids love those temporary tattoos and they fit really well in here, and I can have one for each kid and the kind of tattoo that they like. Spare keys that you don't want to put on your key ring. I wouldn't put an entire key ring in here, but you have those loose keys to your PO box, or there's an extra house key. You can put them in here and label them. Those extra buttons that come with clothing, they fit perfectly in here. If you've ever assembled a piece of IKEA furniture, you get extra screws and those little Allen wrenches, and they'll go great in here, and you can even label what furniture they go with. Lots of different types of smaller craft supplies will fit well in here, so make sure you think about these boxes when you're organizing your craft area. Ribbon scraps fit really well in here, even littler rolls of ribbon, and again, you could organize your scraps very well by color. Coins fit well in here, so you can put all the pennies in one, all the dimes in one, and so on. We all need safety pins from time to time, and you can fit a lot of safety pins in one of these to make sure that they don't take up very much space. A contact lens case or your backup contact lenses will fit well in here, either to store in the bathroom or for travel. Earplugs fit nicely in here, whether it's like a nice set that you're going to reuse or whether you just have those cheapies and you want a whole bunch of them accessible. I use glass cleaning wipes all the time, everywhere. I cannot stand to have smudged glasses, so they fit really well in here. I can throw them in my purse. I can have one at my desk. I can have some in the kitchen. I can throw them in the glove box. Super great for transporting those. Binder clips will fit in here. Small hardware, you could actually go to town organizing like different sizes of screws and nails and things like that if you wanted to think like garage tool organization. Loose tea bags or sweetener packets would go well, and if you want to take like your own sweetener, again, you could just toss it in your purse. Earbuds will fit well in one of these. Loose stickers, you know, like the kind of stickers that kids will get at the doctor, or my kids, I don't know why they do this, they always like to kind of cut them up, and so they would fit really well in here. Rolls of most sizes of washi tape will fit in here. Cough drops or wrapped hard candy goes in here, and again, I like to keep some in like my bedside table, bag, things like that. Tiny doll accessories or action figure accessories, Barbie accessories, things that would be so small they would easily get lost, putting them in here will keep them to where it's easier to find them. You could organize your buttons in these if you sew and you need extra buttons. I'm just imagining like a rainbow of colors. That would be so fun. Hair ties fit super nicely in here. You can make a little mini sewing kit and fit it in here with like needle, thread, those essentials that you need. Push pins will fit well in here and it'll keep them protected so they're not sticking you. Extra seeds or seed packets if you want to save those. I keep extra earring backs at all times because I cannot tell you how many times I have lost them, and I have even different types of earring backs, so they fit really nicely in here. Those cord ties that you have to make sure that your cord doesn't come unraveled, you can store those in here right next to your cords. Your Cricut or Silhouette or cutting machine blades fit well in here, and again, I really like to keep those very protected, so I like having a hard case like this for those. Your letters, if you have one of those letterboards where you can make different sayings, they would fit really well in here. And if you wanted to go all out, you could even have one for every letter, or one for A and B, one for C and D, and so on. Those command hook strips, either the backs of the command hooks, sometimes you have extras, or those Velcro strips that you can hang things with, they will fit well in here. Extra SD cards or thumb drives, if you're thinking office and for me, filming equipment. Lots of different essential oils like the tiny bottles or the roller bottles will fit well in here. I have my extra puzzle pieces, so when we find a random puzzle piece and we don't know where it goes, I have it in one of these and that's in with my puzzles. Little tiny fidgets can fit in here, little bitty squishies, or even those little fidget spinners if you want to have those on hand. For moms, those pacifier clips will fit well in here. Not an actual pacifier, it's a little too big, but those clips will fit well. I do this all the time when traveling. I put the floss picks in here and they're just in my travel kit ready to go. I hope that has given you some ideas on how you can use these really affordable bead boxes to really go to town with organizing. If you have other ideas and things that you use them for, I would love if you would share in the comments. And also, if you like these, you are going to love my video about all the different ways you can use photo boxes. They're very similar to this, just a little bit bigger, and there's so many things that you can organize in there. So go ahead and click that link and check out that video next.